Most of us have spoken to someone where we're waiting for them to finish talking so that we can say our piece. Happens more often than not. What this does, it gets things off your own chest, but it doesn't make the other person feel validated. If you want to improve your listening skills, try the sounds like strategy. When a person's finished talking, say the words sounds like, and then fill in what you heard them say. You can focus on the content, what they've actually said, or you can focus on what they presented or how they presented and how they look. So sounds like you're a little bit annoyed with this, or sounds like you're a little bit upset about this, or sounds like you think this. This shows the other person you're listening, and it also builds connection and allows them to correct if you're not on the right path.